Discover refrigeration excellence with ALKCOOL, where premier quality meets sleek design. Crafted with durable materials and advanced cooling, our units promise unmatched performance. The unique glass end models enhance product visibility, ensuring an attractive display. Our systems maintain perfect temperatures from 33 to 48 degrees, guaranteeing preservation under any condition. Self-closing aluminum doors provide effortless function and a steadfast seal. LED lighting inside casts a consistent glow. Spotlighting merchandise, customize the exterior sign panel to embody your brand. Upgrade your space with a showcase of reliability and elegance. ALKCOOL, the choice is clear.